Welcome to Maverick channel. Look what we have here today. We will be flying, of course, for the first time the DJINEO. I am excited to get this airborne and try to experience, and hopefully from what I've read about the drone, that it takes pretty good pictures, and it's a decent drone. It looks great. I just like the shape, I like the size, I like the build. It is excellent. So at this time, this video footage is from the drone, and as you all may recall, I had some difficulties connecting my drone to the app, so I had to call DJI, and they had some fantastic people helping on their customer service. So I was online with them as well as on over the phone, and we tested a few scenarios and a few processing options, and then finally I could connect. So right now, this is my first try. Right there I was trying to see if I can speed up and make this turn and see if I could lose it, but yeah, it was just catching up to the speed. So, and you can see that the video quality is super great, and the stability of the drone is wonderful. I just fell in love the first time I flew it. So I bought it without the remote control, so I will be ordering the remote control as well. That will make for a very more great flight, easy to control. But yes, please don't forget to subscribe. It was a very successful first great flight. The maiden flight was excellent, as you can see. And please leave comments below, subscribe, share this video, and stay tuned for a more detailed review, because my first impression is great, but I want to really review the drone and all the other specs that comes with the drone. I want to give you guys my honest thought. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.